Friends, what's up? My name is Alok Kumar and I am a digital marketing professional working in the industry since a decade right now. So, multiple times I have been told by my friends that why don't you prepare modules and lessons that will help job seekers and that will help sales and marketing professionals and the people, those who are running their traditional businesses and they want to switch on to digital marketing. So I have decided that it's time to give back to the community, revert back to the community. So since we have learned a lot from this particular network, it's time to give it back. So on this particular video, I will try to focus on some of the very basics. And let me tell you, this is something which is going to help a lot to the job seekers and people, those who are going to start planning to start their career in digital marketing and they're working sales and marketing right now, traditional sales and marketing, and want to switch on to digital marketing. And it will be also helpful to understand the fundamentals as well. If you are a startup owner or founder planning to hire a digital marketing agency or a consultant, and then definitely this particular fundamentals will help you a lot in controlling your marketing campaigns. So if you see the screen right now, participants, so you can very clearly understand that this is a digital marketing funnel. So if you are from marketing or if you are from sales, then definitely the term marketing funnel is not actually new for you, right? But let's say, for example, what is digital marketing funnel? Let me tell you, a marketing funnel in traditional marketing scenario is not actually different from the digital marketing funnel in online space. So if you see, there are 6 blocks. 6 blocks are nothing but the 6 stages in a digital marketing funnel. The first is visibility and awareness. The second is bringing targeted traffic. Third is visitor engagement. The fourth stage of digital marketing funnel is conversion, the most important. And the fifth stage is measurement. The final and sixth stage is retention. So these are the 6 blocks that will help you to strategize your digital marketing plan and will help you to bring down your prospect from the top of the funnel to the bottom of the funnel and convert the customer and convert the prospect into a customer and convert the customer into a loyal advocate. So right now, let us understand all these stages in details. In this particular video, we'll discuss how visibility and awareness works, which is the very important stage in a digital marketing strategy. So let me give an example and let us try to resonate to this particular stage onto the traditional marketing world. So participants, what happened? Let's say, for example, if I am an IT company and I cater to services like mobile app development or web application development services in Bangalore, and I know that I want to target to the local crowd, the local small businesses. So what if I go beyond Hebal or if I go beyond Electronic City and establish or put my setup of office over there? Do you think that anybody is going to come? Nobody, right? As a business, if I go to the top of Himalayas and open a shop, for sure there will be one customer, and the only one customer will be me, right? So jokes apart, visibility matters a lot. Awareness matters a lot when it comes to traditional market. It is very important for you as a business or as a product seller or as a solution provider that you have to be visible to your target audience. There has to be a substantial awareness about what you are doing. There has to be a very in-depth awareness about your product services in the market. So this is how traditional marketing works, right? So in digital marketing, how we can resonate the same concept? Let us go to Google search engine and let us understand this particular concept. So, friends, let's say, for example, if I want to book a resort in Bangalore, so I'll straight away go to Google search engine and I'll type a question or a query like book resort in Bangalore, and I will hit on enter. So participants, this is very important. If you are very new to digital marketing space, let me tell you, the phrase or the query that I'm typing on Google search engine is called as keyword. This is very important. Okay, let's say if you are very new to digital marketing space, no matter if you're a sales marketing professional, this is a fundamental that you should know. This particular phrase is called as keyword. Keyword is nothing but a question that a prospect or a customer like you or me go to Google search engine, type to find an answer, right? So this is a keyword. The moment you punch the keyword and hit enter, you see a number of results flashing on the first page. The list that you see here is called a search engine result page. Search engine result page, SERP. So participants, if you are a job seeker or you are looking to start your digital marketing career, then this is again a very fundamental interview question, SERP. So let me tell you something. The moment I type this keyword, you see a number underneath. This particular number is 3,26,000. So you might be thinking that what is this number? Friends, this is a figure that tells that somewhere, somehow, this keyword book resort in Bangalore is mentioned in 3,26,000 web pages, not website. Web pages. Somewhere 3,26,000 web pages are talking about this particular phrase. So it doesn't mean that there are 3 lakh resort sellers or 3 lakh 3 lakh businesses selling resorts in Bangalore, right? So just don't get confused. So right now there are 3 lakh web pages. So let us see what is search engine result page. So in the top, you see there is a listing, there is a set of listing here that you can see with an icon here, AD, with an icon here, AD. AD stands for advertisement, participants. So this is this particular listing, the 4 or 5 listing that you see on the top is the output of a marketing campaign called as pay per click or PPC advertisements. So what is the story behind this? Listed on the top, this particular vendors, companies like Make My Trip, LIM Resort or Go Ibibo are paying certain amount of money to be here on this particular top listing to Google. That means they are paying for every click. It means that Make My Trip will pay for every click to Google. For every single click that I do on Make My Trip ad, Make My Trip needs to pay a certain amount of money to Google. Right, so this is called as PPC ad or pay per click ad. So the moment participants, I go down, I scroll down, you can see some other results as well without any icon. The results that you see from here to here. This particular listing is called as organic listing. This particular listing is called as organic listing, which is an output of a digital marketing campaign called as search engine optimization. Search engine optimization can be done for free. Exactly, it's not for free right now. There are a lot of other ways. You have to pay money to generate content. That's a different part of the story. I'll come to that particular topic in depth in my coming videos. But in this particular video, let us understand that search engine optimization is also called as organic way to rank your page to the top of Google by optimizing your website in a really fantastic way, generating high quality content on your website and following some very credible Google algorithms to ensure that your page that you have created is compliant to Google algorithm and you come to the top of search engine. So this is not a quick, it's not a get quick scheme. So you have to give a lot of time. And it is an organic process. It takes months to bring a page to the top of search engine, right? So these are the 2 ways, participants, how you can gain visibility and awareness on search engines. So as a seller, let's say if you are a seller who is into hospitality industry and trying to sell resorts and you have just stepped into the online space, for sure you have to fight with this 3,26,000 web pages and you have to come on to Google search engine result page. There is a very famous saying, participants, okay, that the best place to hide a dead body is the second page of Google. So nobody goes to the second page of Google to take a buying decisions. Sometimes in the B2B scenario or in a B2B purchasing model, people prefer to go to second or third page to take a decision, right? But in B2C space, I don't think that somebody will go to the second page. Okay, 80% of people take their buying decision on the first page itself. So as a seller, you have to ensure that you have to be on the first page of Google search engine result page to gain visibility and awareness. But before that, it's very important that you need to have a website or mobile app that you can rank. So this is how, you know, visibility and awareness plays a very crucial role in the beginning of your digital marketing plan, project, or strategy. So members, I believe that you got some value out of this particular video. In case you would like to share something that you think that I have missed, then please comment below. I would actually love to hear and read your comments. So this is Alok Kumar. Just stay tuned for the next video on the next stage of digital marketing funnel. So until then, this is Alok Kumar signing out for now. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Thanks a lot.